Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Medvision. Let's discuss one question on the triangle of auscultation. To watch my video on triangle of auscultation, check out the link provided in the description box. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss the new update. So let's get started. Question number 1. Which organ can be auscultated through the triangle of auscultation? A. Lungs, B. Kidney, C. Liver, and D. Gallbladder. Comment your answer in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Also, join me on my Instagram page for notes and quizzes. The link for my Instagram ID is in the description box.